In this video, we will talk about what a closeout looks like and how to just interpret and find that data. So once a lot is fully shipped and we have fully entered all of the information for prices and costs and weights received and weights shipped, the system then can calculate your closeout for you automatically. So the closeout includes all costs for feed, costs of medications, charges, and devices. So we're going to look at a closeout that did well, just for fun. So we're going to look at lot 264. So if you're not familiar with this page that we're staring at now, go take a look at the lots video that will describe sort of what stuff is on this page, where to find it. But if you will watch that video, I will say that now that this lot is closed out, you will have more information here than you would of if you're looking at a lot that's currently on feed, which you can find from this lots on feed. So once the lot is fully closed, we have tons of good information about what it looked like when it finished. At the top left, we can see some high-level data about when we first received this lot, when they last shipped. And so the last shipped, if you've shipped 5 times for this lot over the course of a week, this last shipped is going to be the last day that you did ship animals. Days on feed is a weighted, real, true days on feed. So if you shipped half of them 20 days ago, that half that was shipped 20 days ago, it's going to be considered that they were shipped earlier than the ones that were shipped today. Cost per pound and price per pound again. Should be pretty clear what those mean. Cost is what it costs you, the farmer that is raising these cattle. Price is if you are custom feeding, the price you're billing for. Average daily gain, pretty clear. You guys know what that means. And then at the top right, we have feed efficiency, pounds fed, fed per head, and fed per head per day, all broken out by dry matter and as fed basis. The bottom left is a cost summary. So we have company and we have customer profit and loss. So if you're looking at the company profit and loss, that lines up with the cost per pound of gain. If you're looking at the customer profit and loss, that lines up with the price per pound of gain. So this is basically just showing your margins if you are owning these cattle or if you're custom feeding. The custom feed number is going to be the number you're sharing with your client. And the company number is going to be the number if you own these cattle yourself. So it really depends on your operation as to which one is important to you and how you manage those values. Then the bottom, this will just show you all of your history of all your lot movements. So anytime you received, you shipped, or any died, all of your charges over the course of their life, all the medications, and all the devices. And we're going to jump back then. This is lot 264. In order to view that closeout report, that's more of a traditional PDF, we can just click on this closeouts button and it will download a PDF of the closeout with all of the same data and information that we just looked at in a nicer web page. But now this is printable for your record keeping if you need to save this off. But this information will always be available for all active customers historically in AgResult systems. So you don't necessarily have to do this. Some people like to ship this off, mail this off to your customer if you are custom feeding, or just, sometimes it's helpful to have a paper copy somewhere, but this is how you get to it. This page here, the closeouts page, is also nice to just look at a high-level snapshot of all those main key performance indicators like pound per gain or price per pound of gain, average daily gain, dry matter efficiency, that type of thing. And then you can compare and just look over historically all of your closeouts and see how you did, see how you're doing. If you're improving, you can look at times of year, what am I doing better, that sort of thing. So that is what a closeout is in AgResult Feedlot software.